times for one part.
Very good.
It is for the first cleaning with the scrubber. Each part with 2 treatments, 2 times. And the other face is the same. The direction should from up to upward. The direction is upward, according to the skin texture. And then for the forehand. If your plant has no feeling, you can adjust the power higher. If it feels good, then keep this power.
So, the working handle you have now is to promote my skin, to remove the dead skin, right?
Yeah, remove the dead skin.
So this is the first step for the hydrofacial treatment, right?
Yes.
Okay.
It's for the surface. Okay. A little, you will feel very cool with this hand. This hand, before treatment, we also need to put enough cooling gel and then start the treatment. Also the same, we can do line by line according to the skin texture. And this treatment is also 10 to 15 minutes. You feel cool?
Yes. So this is the cold hammer. So
yeah,
make the skin more cold.
And with the we can use the circle operation.
Okay. The same operation mode for the as the RF.
Yeah.
Okay. A little
Vibration.
yes. You can adjust the
After the